Are you on the hunt for a pair of winter socks that are going to make your feet feel like they're walking on clouds without having to worry about moisture and stinky smelliness? I'm Gina with WTI, and I'm completely blown away by these ultra comfortable pair of socks that I got from Juclise. I'm extremely picky about my socks because my feet are always cold. The mix of materials in these socks, in my opinion, is the ultimate combination because they're mainly baby alpaca, so it gives you this really nice fuzziness, but it also has nylon, merino wool, and lycra spandex, so they hug your feet really closely and they wick moisture. I wear a size 7.5. They fit my feet perfectly. There's no bunching inside my shoe, and I just get that amazing warmth. I got the socks that are camo pattern, but Juclise has other patterns to choose from. And it's awesome because these come 2 pair in a box, so they're very budget friendly too. I have been washing my socks on the delicate cycle and then line drying, and that will help keep them looking their best for a longer amount of time. There's no itchiness to the fabric. They're so soft and luxurious, and you're going to want to wear them all the time, just like I am. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.